Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Molly, I'm the tanning expert here at Bondi Sands, and today I'm talking to you about the launch of our latest new product, Liquid Gold Foam. So what is so good about Liquid Gold Foam? The foam application itself is awesome. A little goes a long way. You only need a tiny little bit and it goes over your skin really, really well. Think of the application that you get from the dark foam combined with the awesome golden colored tan you get from Liquid Gold, and that's what you get. You get this with the coconut scent, salon quality formula, and it's also really hydrating because it contains argan oil. So the best way to apply this product is the same process of all of our other products. Make sure you have a fresh canvas before you start tanning. If you have old tan on, use our tan eraser to remove all of that before you reapply. If you've got no tan, use our exfoliation mitt just to get rid of that top layer of skin so we're fresh and ready to go. Once you have done that, the best thing to do is stand in front of a good mirror with really good lighting. You'll find when you put it on that it doesn't have a real dark color guide. So when you're putting it onto your skin, you can see the sheen on your skin. And when you're looking at the sheen on your skin, you can kind of see what parts you've missed and that you're getting every area. And then wait until it dries, get dressed, go about your day. You'll find that you get bronzed and delicious throughout the day, and that's basically it. So the best way to maintain your tan with this product, but also all of our other products, is after you get out of the shower, pat yourself dry. You want to try and keep that top layer of your skin intact basically for as long as possible. I like to moisturize with our gradual tanning milk or our gradual tanning oil or our gradual tanning foam, whichever one you prefer. All get the same great results. It's just the application method that is different. It will give you that extra little bit of bronze color to last the whole week. So there we have it, guys. Introducing our new Liquid Gold Foam. The way you can find this one in store is to look out for the gold lid. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop them below. Always happy to help. Happy tanning, lovers.